have a company dashboard feature. So on the right-hand side corner, please click the setting icon, and below on the menu, you are able to check this dashboard. Once you click it, you are able to check all the overall information in terms of total customer, new customer, revisit rates, and number of the full analysis as well. Also, you're able to check the trends of your new customer and revisit based on a different timeline, 7 days, last 30 days, 90 days, and etc. And providing the information of accumulated customer, cumulative analysis case, and deep understanding of your target audience in terms of gender, age brackets, race, hair concerns, and scalp concerns. Especially for the scalp concerns, it's important to understand what kinds of factor that your target audience is the most concerning for. Is it scalp temperature or greasy hair or etc.? Below here is providing deep understanding in terms of follicle density, hair per follicle, hair volume, hair thickness. When you click this blue button, you are able to download all your existing customer image through your PC.